SoFi just posted 2 new jobs on LinkedIn. We know everyone's getting hyped with the earnings call coming soon and the bank charter approval right around the corner. With the skyrocketing price of about $22 to $23 today, SoFi is getting more and more attention. On top of that, the shorts have been watching SoFi's stock price like a hawk, and we know this because of the increased percentage of short activity. With earnings right around the corner, do the shorts know something that we don't, or are the longs taking the win on this one? You know what side we're on. Welcome to Wealth Gambit. On this channel, we cover the latest stock trends and news. Whether it's a deep dive into the fundamentals of a stock or breaking news, we cover it all here on this channel. If you guys like that type of content, don't forget to like and subscribe to get notified as soon as we drop new videos. Shout out to Josie, who just flexed us on Yahoo Finance forums. We really appreciate it. To anyone who has a company they want us to cover, comment down below and we might do a video on it. And if we do, we'll shout you out. In this video, we will discuss all the recent SoFi rumors, almost all of which are positive. Are these rumors true? And if so, how will that affect the company? Without further ado, here it is, the thing you've all been waiting for since you clicked on this video. Just 2 days ago, SoFi just posted a job on LinkedIn, and it says here it's finding applicants for the Senior Director for Bank Integration and Development position. A bank executive position, huh? Are you guys thinking what I'm thinking? I mean, it's not every day that a fintech company finds new people to fill in a newly created executive position. Let's just take a second to sit on that. Grab your glasses as we toast to being SoFi shareholders. This position is meant to fulfill a new role in SoFi as a company that will undergo major structural development from a typical financial technology company that's booming to now becoming a bank, all made possible by the bank charter and Golden Pacific Bank Corp, which they acquired early this year. At this point, Commander Noto needs to put astronaut on his LinkedIn profile job experience because he is steadily piloting SoFi to the moon, or maybe even Pluto.
I think most banks that have a bank charter are trying to figure out the technology game. You all are almost doing it in reverse, right? You've already figured out the technology game. You've already built this. You have the customers. Now it's, can you get the bank charter in place so that then you can have that vertically integrated technology and bank charter versus I think it's harder to go bank charter than tech if you're not, your DNA of your company isn't actually a tech company.
That's correct, completely. And a lot of the big banks have built their businesses by consolidating through acquisition. And we endeavor to build on one common technology platform in the cloud. And that allows us to not have silos between our business. So if you apply for unsecured personal loan right now, which we offer, and our average personal loan is around $30,000 to $35,000, and it's unsecured, so you can use it for whatever you want, we'll give you an interest rate on that of around, call it 10.5% to 11%. But if you also do direct deposit with us, we'll lower that interest rate even further. And so we're constantly looking at ways to use technology to bring together product bundling that best meets your needs, so you have the lowest cost of interest and the highest benefit on the return side. And we can do that because we have one common technology platform and we have all of your data in one place. So the more we know about you, the more we can personalize it.
On top of that, SoFi recently announced the redemption of all its outstanding warrants. What does this mean for investors? In their official press release, SoFi stated, quote, SoFi will redeem all of its outstanding warrants to purchase shares of the company's common stock, par value 0.0001 per share, that were issued under the warrant agreement dated October 8, 2020, by and between the SoFi and Continental Stock Transfer and Trust Company, as warrant agent, as part of the units sold in the company's initial public offering and that remain outstanding at 5 p.m. New York City time on December 6, 2021, for a redemption price of 10 cents per public warrant. Furthermore, under their warrant agreement, SoFi is entitled to redeem all of the outstanding public warrants at a redemption price of 10 cents per public warrant. If 1, the sales price of the common stock equals or exceeds $10 per share on each of the 21 days, with any 30-day trading period ending on the 3rd trading day prior to the date on which a notice of redemption is given, and 2, if the reference value is less than $18 per share. The private warrants are also concurrently called for redemption on the same terms as the outstanding public warrants. The private warrants are also concurrently called for redemption on the same terms as the outstanding public warrants. Stock warrants, according to Investopedia, represent the right to purchase a company's stock at a specific price at a specific date. It gives its owner the right to buy or sell a stock at a certain price before expiration. Now, what does exercising a warrant mean for a public company? When investors exercise warrants, this means that SoFi will issue new shares, therefore reducing the existing stockholder ownership percentage of that company. In simple terms, dilution. We're just days behind the third quarter earnings call. For those of you who have been watching our videos consistently, know that we got you with a Q3 video and it will be fire. That about wraps it up for today's video, guys. What are your personal price targets for the stock? Let us know in the comments down below, and best comment will get shouted out in the next vid. Until next time, peace.